Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Python tutorial class 3. In today's class, we are going to learn about the character sets, tokens, and keywords in Python programming language. So, as a beginner, if you are learning as a beginner and you don't know about coding at all, then these are the terms which are acceptable in Python programmer to write a Python programming code that we are going to see today. So, be with me till the end, and let's begin with today's class. So let's start with today's class, character sets, tokens, and keywords. Starting with what are the character set in Python? A character set is a collection of symbols, letters, numbers, and special characters that a programming language recognizes and can use. In simple words, you can say it is a set of valid characters which is acceptable by a programming language when writing the programs. The character sets refers to all the valid characters that are can use in programs for forming words, expressions, and numbers. Let's see some example. So we have letters, digits, special symbols, white space characters, escape characters, Unicode characters, which includes in Python programming language as a character sets. First one is letters. Letters, Python programming language accepts both uppercase and lowercase letters. Then we have digits, 0 to 9 digits are acceptable. Then we have special characters and symbols like this. All these example are example of symbols in character sets. Then we have white spaces, space, tab, new line, carriage written. And Python also supports the ASIC language and Unicode. ASIC means American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It is an old character encoding system which is also supports Python programming system. Then we have Unicode. Unicode is a universal character encoding standard that supports almost all languages and symbols in the world, including emojis. You can insert emojis in Python as well as you can, if you want to write in any other language, like if you want to write hello, print hello in Chinese language, you can able to write. Then next part is tokens. In Python, tokens are the smallest meaningful elements of a program. Just like words make up a sentence in English, tokens make up Python code. In simple words, we can say like this. Let's suppose, let's see what are the category in tokens. Token means keywords. In token category, we have keywords which predefine the reserve words. Reserve words that have a special meaning in Python, like if, while, class, return. These are the example of reserve words. Then we have identifiers, which is user-defined names. Identifier means names given to variable, functions, and classes. Like, for example, name, sum, student info. Okay, these are the which identify something. This is that is called as identifier. Then we have literals. Literals means constant values, fixed values used in the program, like numerical value, integers, string, boolean value. All these things comes under literals. Then we have operators, arithmetic operators, logical operators, comparison operators. Arithmetic operators means all addition, subtraction, floor division, percentage. All this comes under arithmetic operator. Logical means we, uh, and or all this comes under a logical operator. Then we have comparison operator like greater than, less than. Then we have delimiter, which symbols or delimiter means symbols used for grouping or structuring of data. For example, parenthesis, then braces, semicolon, column, comma. All this comes under delimiter. Comments means in simple words which ignore the text. Comments explanatory is a explanatory notes in a code that ignored by the interpreter. Okay, if you want to write, if you want to make any notes in Python programming language, you can use comments by hashtag. Next segment is keywords. Keywords are reserved words in Python that have a special meaning and cannot be used as identifiers. I already explained you identifiers means variable names, functions names, um, but in Python programming language, we have inbuilt keywords. Here is a list of Python keywords: false, await, else, import, pass, none, breaks, except, in, raise, true, class, finally, is, return, and, continue, for, lambda, try, as, define, from, non-local, while, asset, delete, global, not, with, async, elif, if, or yield. All these are examples of keywords. Then here you can see the functions of all the keywords. Boolean value represents true or false conditions in the programming. Null value indicates the absence of a value or a placeholder. Then logical operator used for combining or neglecting Boolean expressions. Modularizing creates alternative name for imported modules. Debugging. Then we have so many functions and so many keywords are there which has a different functions. And that's it for today's class. We have done our character sets, tokens, and keywords till now. So see you in the next class. In next class, we'll learn something new. Thank you.